if you wanted to go back to your conference room and get out a whiteboard, we ask sort of 3 or 4 simple questions, right? What comes in? What happens in the middle? What comes out? And then what? Like Danny said, everything comes in, goes out somewhere. So if we're talking about the sales funnel and people who are prospecting, then how do things come on that plate in the first place? Do the right things come in? When do they come in? How often? Because that's like your procurement for your manufacturing process. So what comes into the manufacturing process? Then what is the manufacturing process? That's what most people think about as process. What do I do? How do I qualify? How do I prospect? Content, questions, all that. That goes through a cycle, and then things come out. How do you know they come out? What came out? What was the result, right? Sometimes disqualification is your best result. And then once it comes out, knowing what it is good, but then something else happens. And making sure that something else happens in the chain, that's sort of those 4 kind of nodes. If you sit in a room with a whiteboard and say, okay, let's put our process through this framework, you ask a couple why questions, it gets to be, there's room for improvement, and there's, we don't know what they're doing over there. We should figure that out. Connecting up all those pieces can add a lot of value.
Yeah, I would agree.